background is nice size of turkeys. They can be roasted this coming Thanksgiving. I'm just trying to kind of lift myself up because I was shocked. From I called the gas people, the LPG people, to deliver one tank here in the farm. And I was shocked with the price because it's now 1,088 pesos. So that's for a, how you call, a net weight of, what is this, third weight? 12.7, I don't know what's, here, net content, 11 kilograms. So, it used to be like, 745, 760, and then it went to 838, and then 885. Then I was shocked when it went to like 930 and 45, and now 1,088. So that's 100 increase again for just less than 2 months, because we finished a tank for kind of 2 months. I'm not sure if we usually write it down. No, we haven't done it this time. So like last time it was 2 months and 5 days, and now I forgot to write down for this tank. So I don't know, but it's usually like that, more or less 2 months. So, let's see when the boy comes. Plus, of course, because it is delivered to the farm, like we give a tip. Like it's free delivery, but because like, you know, it makes them feel good, or like not hesitant to deliver to you at your doorstep if like you have something for them, especially if it's just one bottle and we're kind of far from the shop. That's maybe the distance it's between my farm and my other house. Yeah, so it's kind of far. So I don't mind paying really a tip, or like giving a tip. Let's wait for the There's the friendly delivery guy. What's your name? What's your store's name again?
E&M
E&M
LPG.
LPG. Yes. From L&M LPG, what's the cost now? Unsay presyo ra,
Ma'am,
Brad? Unsay presyo ani ron?
1,088.
1,088. And look at this. It's bubble wrapped. Wow. It wasn't like that before. Ngay karon lagi na bago imong casing. Asa na siya?
Brand new.
Wow, I get a brand new tank. Wow. Thank you so much. I ran from the goats and picked them. Thank you so much. So look at this, guys. Bubble wrapped gas tank, LPG tank. Woohoo! So di pasabutan ng TWT. Third weight?
Asa?
Kanang-
yung timbang niya sa tangke, ma'am.
Okay. Lagi third weight. Okay na ko, Brad. Ayun na ko. Ayun na ko sukli kay maulaw ta.
Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Tao di, ma'am.
No. Diya lang gihapon siya, Brad. We always put it here, so when we have our barbecue, we don't have to like get it from anywhere, from somewhere. Thank you so much, Brad.
Salamat, ma'am.
Pig's pen.
Mama Pig's pen.
Because she has this.
Does she have it in the feed trough?
Yeah. And she said it's for your birthday cake tomorrow.
Oh, you're wonderful. Spitfire Red.
Spitfire
So
Red,
that must-
Daddy.
That must be your first egg then, would it? I haven't seen her egg before.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow,
Yeah.
Spitfire Red dropping an egg in the feed tray
Advance
of
happy
Mama
birthday,
Pig.
Daddy.
My God.
Thanks, Bob and Joy, for the broccoli. So yummy. We're back to herding, and my goats are now everywhere. They're now in the wild. Yeah. I want to give a shout out, a big shout out, mega love shout out, they say. In live streams, they say it as a mega love shout out. So I'm giving out a mega love shout out to Ling Ling, my dear friend who's celebrating her birthday today. Scorpio loves the Scorpio. Happy birthday, Ling Ling! And also to Edward, my dear friend, Edward. Edward actually introduced William to me. So, happy birthday, boy! Edward Enriquez, hello. You don't talk to me anymore. Happy birthday, guys, Ling Ling and Edward. May you have a memorable and happy day today, because it's your birthday and you deserve the good things, all the best things in the world. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Why are you all here? What is that, Vern? She loves this one. Oh my God. Why you? My shiny Billy boy, look how big you are now. Let's say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Can you believe this, guys? It's 5 o'clock now, I think. And it looks like a very nice day, but it's raining. Raining again. Look at that, guys. How lucky are we? We are getting rain again. So we don't get to enjoy our 5 o'clock session at the gate, or like we haven't even got to the gate because of rain. This freaking rain, everyday rain. So my fire, no more. Let's call it a day. Thank you for watching One Pinoy Chick Chats. Bye.